Hello everybody, got a quick little side project here. I'm going to be installing a washer box to connect this 2003 Maytag. I had it out for repairs. I'll leave the link in the description below to those videos, but just try to make this thing a little easier to use. It's going to just be stubbed out the side wall right now. Eventually I will tap into the sprinkler system for the water and then make it where I can winterize it and keep this water drained out of the wall where the pipes will be empty in the wintertime. So I'm just cobbling together bits and pieces. I'm trying to make it where I can attach the dishwasher as well at some point in time. So that's why I have that Y. So I will continue working. Most definitely plumbing that should not happen right here, but I'm doing it anyway. So I've got my dishwasher drain roughed in and had to customize my box a little bit, but that's okay. It won't be visible. I'm going to probably go ahead and cap that off while I'm not using it, and then when I get ready to hook it up, I'll go from there. A little bit more time has elapsed, and here's what I'm looking like now. And once again, this is plumbing that shouldn't actually happen, but this is out in my workshop, not in a residential situation, so it's going to be okay for out here. A little while later, made some more progress. Got everything stubbed out on the outside of the wall, and gonna put the water on it here pretty quick and see if it holds. That would be awesome. I went and got something to eat and let this just sit here and not a drop. So I'm going to just put some screws in my drywall here and attach it back in. I'm not going to tape and bed and all that yet, just to make sure. If I have to open it back up, I'm gonna stab a piece of insulation in there and we should be good to go. It's a little while later. I've got the washer back in place, and I'm going to do a test cycle, just empty. Not going to record it all. You can see we've got water flowing, and I don't have to have a water hose in here anymore. So that's excellent. Should be starting pretty soon. I added just a little bit of kind cleaner just to rinse out the machine a little bit, freshen it up a little bit. And we are agitating. And we are spinning. We are draining. Oh yeah. It's gonna do just wonderful. So once again, this has been installing a washer hookup box in my workshop for my 2003 Maytag Performa. Works great. I did my first official load with it. Worked out perfectly. Couldn't ask for anything better. Thank you for watching.